In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the Thrustmaster T128 on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Thrustmaster T128 on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console is extremely simple. You will be able to use it on any games that support it natively, and all that you have to do is first turn on your console, so make sure that your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is powered on, and connect the USB cable. So there will be a USB cable coming out of the wheel. You just have to plug it into any of the available ports on your console. Once this is done, give it some time and the console should recognize the wheel automatically, and it is going to be designed as a controller. So once this is done, you can open any game and test to see if it is working. Navigating through the menus should give you an indication that it is detected and properly working, and when you open any game and you go over to these settings, you will be able to switch over to steering wheel inputs, which means that the steering wheel is properly set up and good to go. Alternatively, if you are encountering problems and it doesn't seem to be working, there are a lot of steps that you can take to ensure that it works. So first, plug it into a different USB port. So remove it from the current USB port and plug it into any other ones that you might have available. See if it works. If it still doesn't work, check the pairing mode. Usually there will be a switch on the back of the T128 where you can toggle between PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and something like PC. You have to make sure that it is set to the appropriate pairing mode. Besides this, what I recommend is that you connect it to a PC or laptop if you have one available, and in here you will be able to download the latest version of the firmware available for the wheel. To my knowledge, sadly, this can only be done on a PC. So connect it to a PC, go over to the support.thrustmaster.com website and look for the T128. Now you will be able to choose the appropriate model, which should be this one, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and PC, and you will be able to download the latest version of the software. During the time that I'm recording this video, they say it's 4.76. So scroll down, download the drivers here, you just have to run this executable file, and then do the same for the firmware. You will get instructions here on how to properly set it up. Once the drivers are installed and good to go, you can unplug it from your PC, plug it back into your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and start using it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Thrustmaster T128 on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.